Alright, so we're fishing. Bass fishing. Me and my friend Jason are fishing here. And see if we can catch something.
How many fish have you got?
3. I don't know, we caught like a whole bunch right here. We caught like 5. And they all just like disappeared.
I don't know if it's the rain.
The fishing did.
Oh my god.
You got him? Oh yeah. Jason has one.
Oh, that's a peacock.
Oh, it's a large one.
Oh damn. I thought it was a peacock.
Oh crap. Let me eat him.
It's a nice fish.
Oh my god, I got one! Oh my god, you gotta be kidding!
Double.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh, I got a giant! Let's go! Dude, there's more fish in the water right here too. Yeah!
What does we say? There's
Let's
no fish?
go, bro. Double up again. This is twice today.
As soon as you
This is twice, bro. This is insane. This is twice we got a double. Jesus.
As soon as you freaking say.
You know, right?
There's no
No fish. Just get a double again. There's more of them in the water. Mine was sitting on the bottom. Wait, let's pull them up to the camera. Jason. Wait.
Mine's a little bit bigger.
Here we go. Nice double.
Just put them back in the water.
Mine's like swallowed it though. Don't get blood on my shirt.